Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use and play Fortnite Chapter 4 on your PC. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop and open the Epic Game Launcher. On the left side, click Library, find Fortnite and click Launch. Once you are in the lobby, let's keep it simple. Middle of the screen, your character. Top of the screen, tabs like Play, Battle, Pass, Quest and Locker. Bottom right, big play button. Left side, your friend list. Everything you need is right there. Before you start playing, click the box above the play button. Here you can pick your mode: Royal Battle, 0-bit, Team Rumble or Creative. Choose one you like, then press Confirm. To customize your character, go to the locker at the top. Here you can change skins, emotes, gliders. Just click what you want and select your items. If the game feels slow, press ESC, then click Settings. Go to the video and set graphics to low or medium. This helps Fortnite run smoothly on most PCs. If you want to change controls, go to the keyboard control and adjust them as you like. Now go back to the lobby and click the big play button. The game will start matchmaking. Once the game loads, press spacebar to jump from the battle bus. Move with WASD. Aim with your mouse. Left click to shoot. Right click to aim. Press E to pick up items. If building is on, press Q to enter play mode. Just explore, loot chest and survive as long as you can. And that's all. That's how to use Fortnite Chapter 4 on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.